Hello everyone, this is going to be a demo of myself, Allison, Young, Frank Shu, and William Huang's project for ECE 590 data analysis in the cloud. Essentially, it's an image classification prediction model that takes one single image and it'll give it back a prediction on what that image is and its confidence in that image. So this is all using Plotly Dash on the Google App Engine. If we just go and click select files, it'll take a second because my computer's going slow today, as is my internet. So we'll pick a picture of my dog, Grace, who is a golden retriever. Nice front-on image. She's a little old and she's red, so it may cause some issues with the prediction of the model. Essentially, the model takes an image in, it resizes it, and then it gives you a prediction. Its best guess being that it's a Brittany Spaniel with a 35.8% confidence rating in its prediction. Obviously, I said it's a golden retriever, so it's close but a little bit off because those type of spaniels are red, and my dog is not actually golden like most golden retrievers and not blonde. Regardless, this is our application. That's what it does. It uses the MobileNet model through TensorFlow to make the prediction and then gives it out at the end. Thank you.
So once we got the app up and running on our Google App Engine, we then wanted to do some load testing. And the way that we wound up doing this is we used a Google Kubernetes Engine to deploy Locust load testing, and we were able to do this on a Google Compute machine. And this was going to simulate traffic, and it uses a REST-based API. And so I'll go through a little bit about how we did that and how we scaled up. So basically the process we used was in two parts. One was using a Locust Docker container image. So this was allowing us to put the Locust software on our virtual machine that we're using through Google Compute, and then being able to use multiple and more powerful machines to do the load testing, since we could not do that locally on a single machine. And the Kubernetes allows us to do this by organizing and managing the different nodes that are going to be tested and that are used for testing. And a master node is going to then control what they call some workers. To do the load testing, we're going to go to the host where we've deployed the app and put in the port where we've also deployed Locust. And we'll put in the number of users and the hatch rate. And as you can see, the swarm starts. And at the top, it'll tell you about how many requests per second is happening. And I'm going to fast forward a little bit through the video, but you can see it's ramping that up. And we actually get pretty close to 1,000 requests per second with the number of original workers of 12. But if you watch here, you'll see that it's crashed right here, around 13 workers. And so what it does is it's scaling up to have more worker nodes at 20, and it tries again, fails. And then once we get to 22 workers, you can see that we've gotten over 1,000 requests per second with a small amount of failures. And one of the nice things is you can see a chart of all this process where it hits 1,000, and that's how we load test. Thank you.